Good morning, children. This is Venugopal sir for Little Hearts Publications with English Book 1, Lesson 6, Hide and Seek. Do you remember this word, hide and seek? Yeah. It's a game. It's a game that children like playing. Particularly, of course, you. Children means you only. It's a game that all the children like to play, hide and seek. Means this is a game in which one particular person will be counting the numbers, the remaining children will go and hide themselves in different places. I think you know how this game is played, okay? Before we go into the details of the lesson, let us discuss the questions under formative assessment. Do you like and enjoy playing games? This is a question for you, children. Do you like and enjoy playing games? What's your answer? Of course, you like. So, what do you say? Yes, I like and enjoy playing games. Every child likes games. Every child likes playing games. Which games do you like the most? Suppose you are asked a question, children. Which games do you like the most? You can answer any games that you like. Indoor games or outdoor games, the games like hide and seek, cricket, shuttle, or indoor games like chess, carom, ludo, snakes and ladders. There are a number of games for children. So, which of those games do you like the most? You have to answer. Do you know how to play hide and seek game? You know, children, have you ever played this game called hide and seek? Do you know how to play it? Yes, maybe. Definitely, every child must have known how to play hide and seek game. In this lesson, let us read about how some children played the game of hide and seek. Some children in this lesson also are playing hide and seek. Let us see how they played that hide and seek game. First, let me read the lesson through, then we will start discussing. Okay? As I read, children, you look at the textbook only. You hide, I will find you, says Ajay. Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu run to hide. Ajay shuts his eyes. He stands by the mango tree. He counts slowly but loudly. The others can hear him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 10. Shouts Ajay. I am coming. Ready or not? Ajay opens his eyes. He looks round. He cannot see Meenu or Vijaya or Jaya. But he sees Nikhil's shoe. It is poking out from behind the shed. I am going to look near the house, Ajay says loudly. But Ajay doesn't go near the house. He creeps to the shed. He can see Nikhil's shoe. Ajay gets close. He puts out one hand. He grabs the shoe. Got you, Nikhil, shouts Ajay. No, you haven't, shouts Nikhil. Nikhil is not behind the shed. He is near the mango tree. Ajay looks. Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu are standing by the tree. Ajay has Nikhil's shoe, but Nikhil is near the mango tree. Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu laugh. Nikhil has only one shoe on. You are tricky, says Ajay. You are tricky too, says Nikhil. How? Asks Ajay. You didn't count to 10, says Meenu. I did, says Ajay. You didn't, says Jaya. The children play again. This time Jaya counts. The other children run to hide. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Jaya coming. Ready or not? Ajay, Nikhil, Vijay and Meenu are all in the shed. Jaya can hear them. They are all laughing loudly. Have you enjoyed the reading, children? Both the girls, one boy and one girl, both of them counted in a wrong way. Have you identified it or not? So let us see how many children are there altogether. You hide, I will find you, says Ajay. So first Ajay tells the other children. Who are the other children? Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu. 4. So including Ajay, there are 5 children playing this hide and seek game. You understand now? So first Ajay says to the other friends, his other friends, my dear friends, you hide, I will find you. Ajay shuts his eyes. So he closes, shut means close. He closes his eyes and he stands by the mango tree there and keeps his hands like this towards the tree, closes his eyes. He counts slowly. You can see there in the picture, children, there is an arrow mark given there. One boy is standing near the mango tree, the other 4 children are running. And Ajay starts counting. He counts slowly but loudly. The others can hear him. So when he starts counting, the other children can hear his voice. What is he counting there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9 and 10. See how he is reading the numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 after 5 he has forgotten. 7 after 8 he has forgotten. So 2 numbers he missed out. He counted. I am coming, ready or not? He shouts loudly. Yes, have you hid yourselves or not? I am coming now, get ready, like that, he says. And Ajay opens his eyes. Now he opens his eyes, he looks around like this. He looks around. He cannot see Meenu or Vijay or Jaya. He cannot see Meenu or Vijay or Jaya. But he sees Nikhil's shoe. But he can see Nikhil's shoe there. The other 3 children he cannot see. Who are they? Meenu, Vijay or Jaya. He cannot see. But he sees Nikhil's shoe. Where is it? It is poking out from behind the shed. So that shoe, a part of the shoe is poking out, is projecting from behind the shed. There is a shed there, and behind that shed, as if that boy is standing, but he forgot that shoe is seen there, that as it is shown there in the picture you see, it is poking out from behind the shed. Poking out means looking out, keeping out of the little shed, behind the shed. I am going to look near the house, Ajay says loudly. And Ajay thought, Nikhil is standing behind the shed. He shouted loudly, I am going to look near the house. But Ajay doesn't go near the house. He says that he is going near the house, but he doesn't go near the house. Where does he go? He creeps to the shed. Why? Because he can see Nikhil's shoe there, which is projecting out of the shed, from behind the shed. So slowly he creeps to the shed. He can see Nikhil's shoe. Ajay gets close. Slowly he reaches the shed. He gets closer to the shed. He puts out one hand like this and caught hold of the shoe. He grabs the shoe. He caught hold of, grab means caught hold of. He catches hold of the shoe there. Got you, Nikhil, shouts Ajay. And Ajay starts shouting, Nikhil, I got you, I caught you, like that. No, you haven't, shouts Nikhil. But Nikhil is shouting from somewhere else. You haven't got me, you haven't caught me. He is shouting loudly. Nikhil is not behind the shed. Where is he? He is near the mango tree. So if any person who is hiding there, if he comes and touches the tree where this boy has counted, Ajay, then automatically Ajay only continues to be the thief. So now, Nikhil is not behind the shed. Where is he? He is near the mango tree. Ajay looks there. Whom does he find there? He finds Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu standing by the tree. All the remaining 4 children are standing nearby the tree. Ajay has Nikhil's shoe, but Nikhil is near the mango tree. That means Ajay caught only Nikhil's shoe, not Nikhil, because Nikhil is near the mango tree. See how he cleverly cheated or tricked that boy Ajay. Ajay has Nikhil's shoe, but Nikhil is near the mango tree. Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu laugh. And these remaining four children, Nikhil, Jaya, Vijay and Meenu, start laughing. Nikhil has only one shoe on. That means he kept that other shoe there behind the shed projecting to mislead, to misguide Ajay so that he can quickly run to the mango tree and touch it. Nikhil has only one shoe on. That means he was wearing only one shoe. The other shoe he kept behind the shed, projecting a little out. You are tricky, says Ajay. And Ajay tells Nikhil, Nikhil, you are tricky, you are cheater. You cheated me. You are tricky too, says Nikhil. You are also tricky, Nikhil says. How? How can you say that I am tricky? Asks Ajay. You didn't count to 10. You missed 2 numbers there, says Meenu. Ajay, you know, you didn't count to 10. I did, says Ajay. I did. You didn't, says Jaya. Ajay is saying, I counted. I did means I counted. Yes, I counted 10. But Jaya also says, you didn't count 10. The children play again. So actually, do you know, children, do you understand whether Ajay has counted 10 or he has missed out any numbers there? I already told you there are 2 numbers missing there. If you look back there in the first page of the lesson, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 5 is missing. 7, 6, 7. After that 8 is missing. The children play again. The children start playing again. This time Jaya counts. The other children run to hide. Jaya starts counting the numbers. The other children run to hide. Jaya counts. In what way does she count? Let us see. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Does she count correct here, children? Is she counting in a correct manner? 1, 2, 5, 6. 3, 4 are missing. 7, 8 are missing. 4 numbers is missing there. 1, 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Coming. Ready or not? She shouted, coming, I have completed counting 10. Ready or not? Ajay, Nikhil, Vijay and Meenu are all in the shed. They are all standing in the shed now. Jaya can hear them. They are all laughing loudly. Jaya can hear them. They are all laughing loudly. Why are they laughing loudly, children? Do you understand why they are laughing loudly? Can you answer that? Yeah, they are laughing loudly because Jaya also has counted wrong. In what way has she counted? 1, 2, 5, 6, 9 and 10. How can it be correct counting? You need to count numbers 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But both the children counted wrong. Okay, with that we come to the end of the lesson. Yes, children, we completed the lesson. In the next class, we will be discussing the tasks for summative assessment. Okay, thank you.